Watermelon for erectile dysfunction, the magic fruit to cure impotence. Although there are numerous treatments available for erectile dysfunction, men have always preferred to try natural ones over others. There have been many studies and experiments to know if some natural foods, herbs, or supplements can help a man achieve and maintain an erection. Although these results have mixed reaction, many natural ways worked relatively well, and others did work effectively. One of these superb natural things is watermelon. Watermelon, that people have begun to call natural Viagra in this day and age, is a fruit containing citrulline. Studies on citrulline shows that it had exceptional results on men erection. Watermelon is considerable to have significant amount of nitric oxide, the element which helps improve blood circulation to the penile tissues, and help men get and maintain an erection during sex. Now the big question is, does watermelon really work? And if it does, how can one use it, and how can it work for them? Well, in this video, you will find out. Can watermelon help with erectile dysfunction? Watermelon is one of the many fruits which is found to have many health benefits. And one of this benefit is to improve sexual libido and erection. Watermelon contains citrulline, which is a natural amino acid called arginine. However, arginine is a supplement which can convert into nitric oxide and help with poor erections. Without a doubt, watermelon is a great source of citrulline and can be considered as the natural Viagra. The only thing is that it may have a different working technique from other erectile dysfunction treatments. It may take watermelon a longer time to show or notice the impact that it has on erection, but yes, it will have a longer effect. In essence, watermelon can most definitely help with male erection issues. However, when comparing with erectile dysfunction medicines, they work differently. Erectile dysfunction medicines have a completely different working technique, and how long its impact lasts. In fact, according to their preference, men can either take ED medications or watermelon in turns with each other. What does researchers say about watermelon for erectile dysfunction? Since it was first discovered in a study, it was said that watermelon may have great effects on male erection, so there were several other studies that have been held to prove it. In recent years, many experiments and several studies were done to know if watermelon really help with male erection issues, or is it just a myth? However, almost every study found that men who were given watermelon for 1 week experienced improvement, not only in their erections but sexual libido as well. They said that they feel more comfortable and long-lasting during sex. Watermelon versus erectile dysfunction medicines. This has been one of the most ultimatum everywhere on the internet. People have really begun to make a comparison between watermelon and erectile dysfunction medications. However, it is fair to say that the differences are not supposed to vary by much. Liking the video? Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Watermelon and erectile dysfunction medicines both have a slight difference in how they work and how long their effectiveness may last. Watermelon is a natural treatment, and it normally targets the main thing that develop the erection and improve it. On the other hand, erectile dysfunction medicines such as Viagra, Cialis, Levitra, and Stendra help by improving the erection for a specific period of time, usually a couple of hours for good sex. However, watermelon can give you a longer effect even though it may take a bit longer to get started. Moreover, the watermelon and erectile dysfunction medicines have a different approach but similar effects. Watermelon is a source of citrulline, a natural amino acid. When taken, it converts into nitric oxide and helps to increase blood vessels for better erections. On the other hand, ED medicines are phosphodiesterase inhibitors that are known to increase blood vessels, thus improving male erection. Benefits and risks of watermelon for ED. Watermelon is generally considered safe to consume, even in large quantities. Only if someone is allergic to watermelon, they may have a slight reaction, but it is not likely to develop any sort of serious side effects. However, men with type 2 diabetes should avoid watermelon, or discuss with their doctor if they can eat it, if so, how much and how often. Watermelon can increase blood sugar levels in men with diabetes. Even though watermelon is low in calories, consuming it in large quantities can still trigger obesity. However, the best part is that watermelon is natural and is found to have no serious side effects that could really have complications on anyone. How to use watermelon to treat ED. The best way to consume watermelon is in the form of juice. Red watermelon is a little lower in citrulline than yellow or orange watermelon, so it is suggested that you choose yellow or orange watermelon, which is lower in calories but higher in citrulline. Watermelon can also be eaten directly by slicing them up. But blending and consuming in the form of juice is found to work better, to avoid tummy fullness and get more citrulline. How to make watermelon treatment for erectile dysfunction. You will need just 2 ingredients. Watermelon and lemons. First, you need to wash your watermelon and cut it into pieces. Make sure to include the peel because that is where most of the citrulline are found. It is best to use a juice extractor to extract the juice rather than a blender, because no water must be added to this juice. Add juice to a pot under medium heat and allow to come to a boil. Add lemon juice, turn off heat and allow to cool down. Store it in a closed jar and refrigerate. 1 teaspoon of this magical juice can be taken 3 times per day, preferably an hour before meal. No doubt about it, watermelon is definitely a magical fruit for erectile dysfunction. Men who are suffering from impotence can definitely jump into this natural treatment. Since it has a similar result as that of ED medications, it is likely to drive greater and longer erections. Adding a glass of watermelon juice daily to your diet is all you need for a great erectile health. It generally begins to show results in a couple of days or in a week. Just add it to your regular diet, and you will be up for perfect sexual health. And, the best part is, watermelon is found to have a positive effect on one's sexual libido. Isn't it great? A good sexual health, good erections, and sexual libido is all that men wanted. Do not overthink, watermelon is up here for you. Just go ahead and make it be a part of your diet. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.